We are in Kyoto. I'm still sick, but I'm not nearly as sick as yesterday, but I'm finally doing kimono rental. I've always wanted to do kimono rental, and I found this place that accepts you even if you have no reservation, so I'm very grateful for that because I did not make a reservation. But anyway, we are here in Gion, and we're going to just wander around and explore for the day and try to find like a cute restaurant to eat at and just enjoy the beauty of Kyoto. I got my kimono from Machiya kimono rental shop. I think it was like $60 to rent for the day, which is such a good deal. After the kimono rental, we walked down the street to Kennin temple, which is a Buddhist temple and garden that you can go and view. You're actually not supposed to take pictures or video, but I had to sneak it, but I was very careful about it too. But it is so beautiful. If you're in Kyoto and Gion specifically, this is an absolute must-see, especially if you're like me and you love traditional Japanese buildings. After that, we are pretty hungry. We've come to this like mackerel specialty sushi shop in Kyoto and in Gion, and it's really looks so yummy. It looks so professional, high quality. We're arrived at our hotel and it is so beautiful, you guys. Come on inside and take a look. Come on. We're staying at the Bronwyn Hotel. It is an old Machiya turned into hotel. If you've ever wanted to stay in a traditional Machiya, Kyoto is definitely the place to do it, as they for sure have the most of these old school merchant houses that you can stay in. They definitely are not on the cheaper end. I think this was around $300 USD a night, but it was so worth it. Washing machine and dryer in one. Bathroom. And woohoo, a whole tub. Out of our entire stay in Japan, I think this was my top favorite hotel Airbnb we stayed in. And you can view the little garden outside, so beautiful. It even has a kitchenette, so if you were staying multiple nights, you can cook. Steep stairs, wow. Upstairs is the bedroom. Funny enough, you might think, oh my gosh, so old, it's haunted. But no, I had the best sleep on my entire trip in this Airbnb. I don't know what it was, the futon, the floor, it was amazing. The view outside this window is someone else's balcony. And over here is towards the front of the Machiya. And the view is someone else's house. It's so bright. I've always wanted to stay in a place like this. This is amazing. I love it. Wow. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is kind of drop our stuff off here. We're only staying here one night, so it's very, very quick. But I think we're gonna drop our stuff off, then we're gonna go back out to kind of the main area of the Gion and like the temples and check out that, get some ice cream. Then after 6:30 comes around, I have to return my kimono. Apparently you can keep it overnight, but it's an extra like $10 or something like that to keep it overnight. I don't think I need to do that. So yeah, I think we're gonna go check out some more main areas of Kyoto, Gion, and then tomorrow we're probably gonna explore more of like the opposite side of Kyoto, so like maybe Arashiyama and things like that before we have to head back to Tokyo and prepare to go to Korea for a few days. We've made it to this area. It's all very close together, but wow, so busy. This area is probably the busiest tourist spot to come in Gion, but it's absolutely a must-see. It is so unique and beautiful. The mission, I think, is ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream. That's really matcha. Try.
Probably like this one.
Yeah, I know. I knew you would. It's so funny because when you saved all those matcha ice cream videos, I knew you wouldn't like it because you don't like matcha.
But it was pretty.
It's pretty. It's very pretty.
Yeah, come on.
So I think that's it for us in this part of Kyoto. So I think we're gonna go back down towards Gion and go walk around and roam around the back streets there a little bit because it's just a little too busy here to like move. I think what's nice about it being this busy though is knowing that like right before Japan opened up again for tourism, like this whole area was going bankrupt. Actually, I think they did file for bankruptcy because there was just no one here, which would be beautiful, but in the sense like it's kind of nice to see it or to know that it's busy again, and now like they're gonna do, all the businesses here are gonna do okay. We didn't end up going to the complete Kiyzomizu temple because I was pretty tired and sick, and it was just too busy for our liking, but the back streets getting out are just as beautiful. So we're walking through the exit part of this area. I still don't know what it's called. I'll insert it here. But during the exit path, there's so many like good photo spots and nobody around. It's amazing. I'd love to come back to Kyoto when I'm not crazy sick so I can actually have the energy to explore so much more. But thank you guys once again for watching this Japan series video.